Hey guys, I'm Koshti. I'm my friend Sharvil. So yesterday when I see why does the iPhone SE has a home button? So let's start. So guys, the iPhone SE is one of the best-selling iPhones, more than the flagship 13 Pro Max. But when you compare to the other models like iPhone 12 and iPhone 13, you'll see a major change, that is the home button. In fact, every iPhone that Apple sells today has a notch and doesn't have a home button, except the SE. But then why did Apple do like this? So simple answer is cost savings. So as you can see, the home button has been around since the first iPhone released in 2007, although it went a couple of revisions. In 2013, Apple introduced a Touch ID home button, meaning the phone would be unlocked by just a tap by scanning the user's fingerprint. So this little circle over here, so when the users pressed on this button, it would scan the user's fingerprint and would unlock the phone. So it was fingerprint. And in 2016, the iPhone 7 was upgraded to a solid state button, which meant it simulated a click by vibrating the Taptic engine. So when you just little bit pressed on this button, the phone would be unlocked. But the other versions, you needed to tap on it and it would physically go inside and then the phone would be unlocked. And this button is still being used in the iPhone SE today too, simply because it's cheaper to use rather than transitioning to swipe navigation with notch and Face ID. And in fact, the entire design was copied and pasted from the iPhone 8 released in 2017 to keep production costs as low as possible since its assembly line was already up and running. That gave Apple enough cost savings to cut the price from $700, means the price of this iPhone 8 was $700 and this iPhone SE is $400. So guys, this was today. Hope you like and make sure to like and subscribe Romit Koshti for all these cool videos. Goodbye.